Today we're showing you a 1993 John Deere 6400 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor was traded in locally. It's a nice clean tractor. It has been repainted at some point. Engine has also been overhauled at approximately 200 hours ago, right around 6,000 hours. So the tractor currently has approximately 62 or 6,300 hours on it. It's got brand new radial tires all the way around it. Corner post exhaust. It's got the two entry doors in the cab. Telescopic links back here. 540 N1000 PTO. Triple rear hydraulics. Got the top link to go with it. It's a nice, solid, clean, good running tractor. Inside the cab, tractor is nice and clean. It's obviously not perfect in here. It is a used tractor with 6,269 hours on it currently. However, it's nice for the age of the tractor. It does have the 16-speed power quad transmission, hydraulic and 3-point PTO controls all over there to the right. It's got the radio up top. Down below, you've got the foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock in the center, clutch pedal here to the left. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing in our equipment. If you have any questions, please give us a call.